Coupe.
it.
Okay, let's go to the safe zone, guys.
Okay, there's a sniper here in front of us.
Yeah, somewhere. In a compound, I think so.
No, it's close. I think it was by this rock. I'm not sure. Can't see, but I heard a shot. Oh, no, he's there. Okay, I'm getting shot.
Your mark exactly, yes.
Yes, yeah, he
Yes,
peeked around
yes,
that
yes.
corner.
Behind, yeah.
Is he by the rock?
No.
Behind the.
By the
He
mountain.
jumped down there. Yeah, he's still there. Go deeper, go deeper.
Okay, but there's somewhere here. By this rock. Somewhere is also shots coming from. Five alive, guys. We can do this. Let's play clever.
Yeah, it's two different. One on the right, one on the left. Oh, car. They're coming to us.
I'll phone you back now, babes. We are. Hold on. Oh, shit. I'll phone you back, okay? Love you, bye.
He stopped it.
Okay, he's dead. Okay, one more.
You kill
Okay,
him? Okay.
one more. Oh, where's he shooting from, Simon?
He's right by this little house here. Okay,
Okay.
I'm knocked, so you will need to keep eyes on.
Yeah, okay.
I can't see him.
Is he there? Tell me when he's by you.
No, he's not by me. He's waiting there. He's not going to come out in the open. You need to go and fetch him. He's right
Well, I want
by,
to hear.
he's by that
Okay.
house.
Is he by the house? Can I throw one of
Yeah.
those BZs?
Yeah, no, throw it. And take your auto rifle, yeah.
I shot him.
Okay, he's going around.
Where is the fucker?
Behind, inside. I think so. He's inside. I saw him.
Shoot.
Outside. Wait.
Come, Justin, shoot. Lay down fire.
Ah, motherfucker.
I can't see him.
He was right. Oh, no, it's Harris I'm seeing. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
I can't see him.
Behind the building, inside the building.
Okay, Harris, you go right, I go left.
Okay. Look the right. Left. Look the right.
Okay,
Frost
that's
smoke.
fine.
This bastard. Okay, he will come behind.
There he is by me.
Where is motherfucker?
Oh, fuck. He's by the wagon. He's by the wagon. I'm coming to you, Harris.
Okay. Go. Yeah, boy.
Hey, Harris.
We did it. Well done.
What a champ.
Where are you?
Well done.